Okay, for the PDF optimizer, you should have your pie files inside PyCharm like this, at least for this project. I name mine ref notes, but you can name it whatever you want. So when you select the optimizer, you can go ahead and start it. And then you will go into the PDF and image optimizer. You will see a section for the PDFs where you can upload the PDFs, or you can upload a folder of images if you're just trying to convert color images to PDFs, or I mean to grayscale images. Right here you can set the settings. You have the option to convert, keep them in color, and just try to adjust the quality settings right here, convert them to grayscale, or convert them to black and white. I would caution against black and white because usually there's quality loss in the crispness of the text. I would choose between color and grayscale. Personally, I choose grayscale. So I'm going to go ahead and select my PDF. I'm going to start out trying 200 DPI. And my JPEG quality, I'm going to try 90. And then I'm going to go ahead and preview that. And with the preview, this will let you choose anywhere within the text, and then it adds 3 pages so you can see how it looks once the grayscale is applied and see if that quality will work for you. So I can go on here, get a closer look at it, say, okay. Let me close that one. Let me see if there's one with text. Okay, that looks good. And then you're going to go ahead and add your output where you want your output. For me, I'm going to make a new folder. And then all you have to do is, if you're doing a PDF, process the PDF. And if you're doing image folder, push process image folder. So I'm going to go ahead and select process PDF, and it's going to process the 10-page PDF. And this was a color PDF before it became grayscale. A lot of the times this will reduce, especially for the high quality color PDFs, it will reduce the file size. This also takes a PDF and it breaks it up in image files automatically, which will be good for working with the automated transcription and translation down the line. So in here you'll have your JPEGs numbered in sequential order, and you can go ahead and view one to see if that's the quality that you like. So this should work perfect for transcription, automated transcription. And this is the color of it originally.